Hello everyone, I'm here again to answer your first question and solve our English related problem. So question is what to talk about in order to have our practice, English speaking practice. So I would suggest you to speak being alone first. Assuming as you are talking with someone and start talking. And now topic. What to talk? So I'm telling you think about yourself. Means talk about yourself. Practice is really must. So talk about yourself as much as you can and enjoy your English. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, but don't stop practicing really. Don't hesitate making mistakes because one day you will really realize you have learned a lot of things from your mistakes. How much we can speak about ourselves, we cannot speak about any other topic. So try to speak about yourself, introduce yourself, and then talk about your daily routine. We should daily introduce ourselves, as I believe, because if you speak the same thing daily, so you are going to be fluent and comfortable in that situation. So do it almost daily as much as you can, and try to add a lot of topics related to your life. You can talk about your intro, you can talk about your daily routine, you can talk about your hobbies, goals, your potential, about your bucket list, about your life, about your journey, improvement, achievements, good and bad experiences, like about your dislikes, about any movie, places, food, people, behavior, or something. You can talk about your present, past, and future, about your family and friends, their likes and dislikes. Even in order to learn English, you can gossip deliberately about them because you are alone that time. Nobody is going to judge you, huh? I understand really the core problem of yours. I used here core problem, which you also can use. Core problem is main problem, root cause. Okay. So this is the only one solution. Organize your language. I'm telling you, means if you're really nervous, so organize your language. Organizing means as you need to be ready if you want to go somewhere. Similarly, you need to organize your language. And in order to organize your language, you need to involve your imagination. Like you have to imagine any situation where you are supposed to speak. Also, you can make a list of situations which you usually face and try to speak loud out. For example, let's say you think of taking help when you are in office. So you will use would you please or could you please. Okay, so you can say would you please lend me your hand? Would you please do me a favor? Could you please fetch a glass of water? Would you please close the door? You use this kind of sentences. So really do it until it becomes your habit. Until you become fluent, it really happens initially if you have to plan before you speak. But doing it, you can easily be fluent. So this is really tried and tested method. Trust me. So this was a really suggestion from my side. I hope you like it. So let's link up later with a new suggestion next time. Thank you.